Have you ever had someone steal your heart away? You'd give anything to make them feel the same. Have you ever searched for words to get you in the heart, but you don't know what to say, and you don't know where to start? Have you ever loved somebody so much it makes you cry? Have you ever needed something so bad you can't sleep at night? Have you ever tried? Have you ever found the one you dreamed of all your life? Do just about anything to look into their eyes. Have you finally found the one you've given your heart to, only to find that one won't give the heart to you? Have you ever closed your eyes and dream that they were there, and all you can do is wait for the day when they will care? Have you ever loved somebody so much makes you wanna break down and cry so bad? Have you ever tried to find the words but they don't come right? Oh, have you ever what do I gotta do to get you in my arms?